In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. The first thing you want to do is open the TikTok app on your device. Now, you want to head over to your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, you want to find the option of Privacy, select that. Now scroll down. Here you have the option of liked videos. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you want to make sure visibility is set correctly. So make sure that you set that to everyone. Once that is done, you want to head back over to your settings. Now scroll down and find the option of free up space. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you will find the cache option. Tap on clear next to that. Then tap on clear again. Now find downloads and tap on clear, then tap on clear once again to confirm. Now the next thing you want to do is update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search TikTok. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once you do that, your TikTok likes should display properly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.